Yeah.
Okay.
So today is the D-Day.
I'll join with my 8th mates, celebrate every dance.
This is clothing for people.
This is my box.
This is your personal items.
We'll just take this.
Where is this going?
What is this?
You like canvas shoes?
Because
I wouldn't risk it.
No.
You may-
Dana, do you want me to send pictures? Yeah, send pictures.
Love you too. Safe travels. Don't lose. Dad and Grandma entering bus. Indy's the only.
Is that one coming there? Is it that one there?
No, I'll ride this one.
The D-line again. Where we go come follow? Where we go follow?
Back to Umuagbai. Did you hear this song in a dream?
This is lovely.
It was Dad that was getting here. I was trying to get Dad's entrance.
when do they come back?
You made it. Whew.
People running. Oh!
Yeah, that's what the full compound. You say what? Hi. Wow. Hello again. Good afternoon. Wow.
What's up?
Have you seen? This is your first time here. This is your first time here. Wow. Hi, Grandma. Hilmam. We made it.
Yeah, hello, my dad is the other side.
The family of Morgan and once again, Lord, and trust everything that is connected to this and exceeded that day of
Me? He can't. Hi, Grandma.
it's good, it's disabled, it's weakened now. Good.
You see what I said? I don't want you to escape.
It's so quiet out here.
It was in Peters.
Matthew.
Not too long ago.
It's Matthew. How are you feeling about the upcoming celebration?
Well, I'm excited. It should be a big party.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Nika.
Yes. How do you feel? Good morning.
We should go, we have actually the celebrant, celebrant will come and she will dance.
Yeah, the newest one? Yeah, there's kind of like the three of them, right? There's the Togo Bar and the other guy who nobody really...
Let her hear, Mama.
Yeah, I like that, the sign.
Who put it there?
And then it was a coincidence. Okay, I can't keep walking backwards.
Who's that?
Yes.
Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running.
As the chief launcher for this occasion, people, I can with 1 million naira.
know that boy that followed us and come today?
Ah, to our house? What's his name? Did you call?
Yeah, talking fancy place and time and glass. The same the chasing dream for collard greens and baked potatoes.
Oh, what? My hair looks crazy. Can you explain to us what you're doing? Are you sweating?
I am.
Yes, it is. Did they flunk? Did they flunk?
No.
If you're wearing this, they won't plug. They're gonna plug you. I told you to put it on.
They're not gonna beat you with a stick?
I told you to wear the judge. You don't want to wear the judge. But they're gonna plug. They're not gonna plug me.
They're not gonna plug me either.
They'll plug you.
They'll flog you.
Are you okay? Okay. Uh-oh. That has gone to join
Indiana. I'd like to give him one too.
I was screaming.
That's why. See, Indy is intelligent. She knows it's the same woman with change. Emmanuel is screaming bloody,
I heard him screaming as well.
bloody murder. Indy's like,
You got beans? Macaroni? Woo! I like this dress.
Step aside for the game changer.
One more inside.
Ezinne. Is that Ezinne?
Lagos and come back.
Make sure you wash it out.
Oh, you want to see it? Yeah, I'll send it to. Who can I send it to? Do you have a number? Are you waiting for David still? Well, you can see it so much on my. Do you see it on my face? Like I just ran. This is Matt Indy, and she's still in front of the store.
It's like your uncles.
They don't
Like your uncles.
claim Igbo.
But why is the RJ? You don't want to claim your way.
So everyone has a football is good. That's what I'm saying. As you can see.
Kind of an all-purpose store, getting stuff.
Pizza.
One of the pancakes and no sausage.
Try the local thing.
That's her shit. She likes, yeah. They made it. It's not.
Okay, Mike. You sure, guy?
When she's older.
Are you gonna take it out?
What happened? What is this?
This is where I was born. This is where my parents are laid to rest.
That's a movie.
Continue to rest until the resurrection morning. I am so glad to be here. To God be all the glory.
Wow, more food. Akudo. Akudo, say hi.
Listen. Over there. Then this is the battery, okay?
Yeah.
I think the gas supply is on the other tank like this.
Yeah, I remember. So is this filled with water?
Pump. That's the pump.
That's the pump?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it well?
For years
You gotta dig
that
deep
we
enough,
can
huh?
get water underneath us.
Yeah, yeah.
We were going to that stream.
Yeah.
In here, see these 3 wires, 1, 2, 3. And did I tell you?
Oh, yeah.
Amen. Amen. All bullshit, we don't change your life. No, you can't eat anywhere. That's good, that's good. Everyone, I want to go
Say hi. What is that one? Don't run.
We are washing. The weather is hot.
We use bottled water a lot because we can't drink the well water here. Okay, I got it. I didn't know he was, well, I knew he was gonna change. Yes, Indy, look. Hey, Mama.
Who's getting the money?
Which is this?
I don't want to.
That's some outfits to go home with. Well, will the outfits be done by the time we...
Not big. Like maybe a bracelet, maybe a magnet, maybe a, I don't know. Maybe I'll find a store at the airport in Germany to buy a silver nail there.
Haggling.